The air conditioner's failure to turn on can often be attributed to clogged air filters. To resolve this issue, begin by cleaning or replacing the filters. Start by turning off the AC and then unscrew and pull out the air conditioner's frame to access the filter. Remove the filter and wash it on both sides under running water to remove any clogged up dust and debris. Allow the filter to air dry before reassembling the components. If the filter is old, approximately 3 months or more, consider replacing it with a new one. Once the filter has been cleaned or replaced, turn the AC back on and check if it's functioning properly. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to consult a professional technician to diagnose and fix the issue. By following these simple steps, you can potentially resolve the problem and have your AC up and running again.